It is jam track time, and boy, do I have a good one for you. I'm really proud of this one. This one can be tricky chords-wise. It uses C major, A minor, and then F bar chord to F minor. We have two ways that we can play this F to F minor. That's the first way. This is the second way. Importantly, we need to be able to then change to a C major. So my preferred way is this method, but I will be demoing both throughout. I've given my top tips in the bar chord video. I will also be showing you for the first time a 16th embellishment, which sounds like this. Some of you may recognize this from songs like That's Entertainment and Favourite by Fontaine's DC, but it's basically we're doing 8th strumming, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So 2 down strums and then just 8th down and ups after that, but we do have to speed our hand up for the first time ever. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. But I think this is a much better tempo for most people to be able to do that. And then we have a C major pentatonic lead line in the position that we've learned it in, and it goes like this. And for the first time, I'm going to recommend in the visual jam track that you play the chords first and then the lead line in the same track. We'll do 4 rounds of the chords first of all, and then play the lead part 4 times. That means that the final time we play the F chord, it'll be the F minor chord, and it's just on 1 strum to give us just enough time to play the lead part, and then also to come back. But each is done 4 times. It will take a little bit of practice, but with the visual jam track and the tab that we'll leave down below, this should be something you'll be able to do if you've done enough practice of the lessons up to this point, and indeed enough lead parts in the other jam track. Best of luck with this one, guys. Here's how to play it. those are all the essentials that we'll be looking at, and there is plenty to go at for many people there. But there is one extra step that you can do with every jam track that we look at, not only from now on, but that you've looked at so far, which is to take those same notes in the lead line and start to improvise your own lead line. We'll have more lessons on this coming up in future modules.